Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crafts with Miss Chelsea. Today we will be making Puffy Slime this time. If you've only ever made one type of slime, this should be pretty cool. So let's get started. For this project you'll need glue, liquid starch, water, and shaving cream. First, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of water. I go in this order to keep my utensils clean, but the order that you put your supplies in does not matter. Then 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of liquid starch. 1 tablespoon of shaving cream. And finally 2 tablespoons of glue. Remember, if you don't have any measuring spoons, it's okay. You can use regular spoons, just be sure to be consistent with all of your pours. After you've poured the ingredients, take a stirring utensil and mix it together. I found that this combination mixes together even faster than regular slime, so after a few stirs, you'll notice that the slime has started to come together, so you can start to knead it with your hands quickly. See how nicely it's mixing together? I'm barely putting in any effort. I'm just pulling and pushing it back together and pulling and pushing it back together. So it should be at this consistency if you followed my measurements. At this point, we're just customizing our slime. I finally found some food coloring in the stores. I went to Food Max, but if we didn't provide any for you, and you don't have any at home, that would be a good place for your parents to check if you want to ask. I'm going to add a single drop at a time and work it into the slime. When working with food coloring, I recommend adding in a drop at a time and mixing it in to get the color that you want, because if you put too much in, it'll change the consistency of your slime, and it also comes in too concentrated and it can overpower. If you want a light color, you can use a dark blue like how I did, and when you mix it in, it still becomes light. And I'm also adding in some glitter. I went with a bronzy orange because it's blue's opposite on the color wheel. After working with the glitter, if you followed that step, you should be done. This slime can be stored in a bag because it does not stick to plastic in the same way that the other slime does. If you made slime alongside this video, good job. Thanks for joining me in making Puffy Slime. We learned that by adding in shaving cream, we can create a new product and also give our slime a different consistency. I hope you had fun, and as always, see you next time.